Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Welkenbach and I am indeed your English teacher for this year. I wanted to explain a few things today because yesterday we had a few glitches in the program and I'm trying to get better at it. But for right now, it's kind of a learning curve for me to do the online lessons as well as teach to the students in front of me. So because of all the technical glitches today, the only thing that you have to have completed is the syllabus quiz for today. Today is Tuesday, August 25th. So please make sure that you have the syllabus quiz completed. Second, okay, if you look underneath the syllabus, there should be another assignment in Google Classrooms, and it's called Tell Me Who Are You? There are 36 questions on a sheet that I do expect you to answer. You are then going to take those 36 questions, select at least, that means the minimum, 15 questions that you think represent the best of who you are. Take those 15 questions and place them onto a minimum of 4, but a maximum of 6 Google Slides. You don't have to include the question in your response, but just change the question into a statement so you can answer the questions and just put them up on the screen. In those 4 to 6 slides, you are going to put the answers to the questions and then some clip art or some photos that you have on your computer, maybe some drawings that you scanned, what have you. And that's what I'm going to be looking for. Those are going to be due on Wednesday. Wednesday is the 26th of August. Please make sure that they're finished by 4 p.m. as I will start grading then. If you want to know how I'm going to be grading you, please check out the grading rubric that is included with the assignment. If you have any questions tomorrow during class, I'm going to repeat the directions and also go over how to do some slides and allow you to see mine if you did not get the chance to do that today. Today was a little rough, like I said. I'm hoping it gets better from here. All right, thank you all so much for joining me. Again, my name is Mrs. Welkenbach, and I look forward to having a great year. Thanks. Bye-bye.